In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack Huddle from start to finish. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open Slack on your device and sign into your workspace. This will give you access to all your channels and direct messages. Once that's complete, navigate to the channel where you want to initiate a huddle. This could be a team channel or a private group, depending on your needs. Next, you'll want to click the Huddle button located at the bottom left of the channel screen. This action will start the Huddle session, allowing you to communicate with others in real time. From here, take a moment to review the available controls and features within the Huddle interface. You can mute or unmute your microphone, share your screen, and see who else is participating. This ensures you have full control over your communication settings. With that out of the way, when you're finished with your conversation, simply leave the Huddle to end the session. This will close the audio connection and return you to the regular Slack interface. And that's how to use Slack Huddle from start to finish.